Hello friends, today in this live stream we will be building a YouTube SEO tool which will actually scrape the YouTube video tags and meta description. So from that you can increase your video traffic on YouTube. So this is a simple Python script which makes use of this BeautifulSoup4 library which is used for web scraping. And basically if you go to any YouTube video here, if you go to, let me take example of my video here. So let me take this example here. So basically, so this video has a description. You can see this is a description it has. So we will scrape this whole description inside this tutorial like this. And actually you will see these tags which are available on the right hand side. These are tags of this video. If I show the search rankings, so these tags are ranking here on a particular, you can see I have installed the extension which is TubeBuddy, which give me these tags. So basically I will be extracting or scraping these video tags and also this description automatically inside the command line. So you can see these are actual tags which are ranking for position number. You can see inside TubeBuddy we are seeing that the search volume competition. So this you can do it automatically by scraping these tags here inside this Python script. Let me show you how it is done. It is very much easy how to do this. So first of all, what we need to do is that inside our, let me clear out. So I have written a Python script here. You can see this is a Python script. And here we just need to change the URL, whatever URL that you want to do. So I will change this URL to this URL. Simply copy this and paste it here. So here we will paste the URL and you will see the URL is copy pasted it. So if you now run this application by simply typing python app.py, so this will run the Python script and it will now scrape all this information and return to us inside the command line. So you will see it has returned this information which has got title, number of views. These tags are returned to us. You will see these are the video tag and this is the description which is returned to. You can see this is the whole description. So I am also storing these information inside a CSV file inside the root directory. So you can see this is the file here which is get stored here, and also we have converted this to a HTML table. So if I open this table, you will see we will get all this information here, which is views, number of tags. Here you will see this is the tags and this is a description, and this is number of likes which it got here. You will see that. So when people is watching the stream. So in this tutorial guys, we have making a SEO tool for YouTube which scrapes the YouTube video tags and description for increasing traffic on your videos. So you can do this for any video. So we will convert this to a table. So you can see these is the YouTube tags and this is the YouTube description which is scraped from this YouTube video. So these are the tags which are ranking for this video. So we are just scraping these tags using this Python script, and this is the whole description that we are scraping, and we are making use of this library which is Beautiful Soup 4. If you write on Google, this is a Python library, web scraping library. So you just need to install this library by simply typing this command pip install Beautiful4. So right here, just install this by executing this command. I have already installed it. And after that, you also need to install one other dependency, which is request underscore HTML. So install this and you can get all the source code. I have given the link in the video description. This is the Python script here. The link will be there inside the live stream description. So this is the full Python script which is required. So in this tutorial, I will write it step by step. So right here inside app.py, we will delete all the code. So right here, we will import all the dependencies. So I will import all these dependencies. So right here, copy paste it. So we are importing CSV, and one other dependency you will need to install, which is pandas. So pip install pandas library. So install this. So after this, after having all these libraries, we can simply make the session is equal to HTML session. So after this, we can define, we can call a function which will actually scrape this information for us. So we can call this function as get video metadata, and here we can pass the YouTube video link. So I will take example of this video. You can take any video. Let me take this video. So now we need to make this function. So inside this function, we need to first of all define the response. So this will be there inside session dot get, and here we will pass the URL, whichever URL which is passed. So we will get this using this. So after this, we will say response.html.render, and inside this we will pass the sleep parameter, which will be equal to 1 second. And then we will initialize the beautiful soup library. So as you will see, beautiful soup, we need to initialize it. So we will say that simply declare soup variable, and this will be equal to, which is beautiful soup. So we have imported this library. So right here at the top, you will see that so right here at the top, you will see we have imported this as BS. So inside this, we will initialize, we will pass this response.html.html, put a comma, and then we will say, we will specify a parser which will be html.parser in order to parse the HTML. So now after that, we will declare a video meta object which will be currently empty. So after this, we will, let me copy paste from the blog post. So we will declare 4 variables which will hold the title, number of views, tags and description, and also number of likes. Let me paste this. So basically you will see this is the title. So we are finding through this syntax here. So simply copy this. This is the number of views, view count. This is the number of video tags which we are getting through this property. And lastly, we are getting the description and the number of likes. So as you noticed, number of dislikes we can't get because YouTube has discontinued the support for dislikes. We can't get this number. So one comment is there, nice. So please, if you like the video, if you are watching it for the very first time, after getting all this information, we can now save this information inside a CSV file. So now for saving it is very easy. If I go to paste this code here, so you will see we are creating a new file which is comments.csv, and we are writing it, and we are embedding title, views, tags, description, likes, and then we are writing this dynamic variables which is title, view, tags, description, and likes. And after this, let me run this for now. If I write here python app.py, so in the background it will fetch the information, and in the left hand side it will create this file which is comments.csv. So you will see this is the number of views, which is 93,864. Telescope Naveen Reddy. You can see these are the tags, and this is a description, full description that you see. And lastly, we see the number of likes, which is, if you see, which is, and also we can, after this, we can convert this to a table. After reading the CSV file, there is a method inside Panda which lets you A to HTML. So here we can say index dash HTML. That's it. So now if you run this, now you will see in the left hand side it will also create a index.html file. You can see it has created it. So if I open this, you will see 18,000 likes. This is the description. This is the number of tags here. This is the number of views. Title is not shown, but all such information is there. You can repeat this for any video on YouTube. Just use the script. The link will be there inside video description. Let me take this video, and simply you need to replace the path here. Simply right here, simply paste it. So now you can see 8.3 likes. This is description. This is the tags which are used inside this. So in this way, guys, you can just extract the tags and the description of any sort of YouTube video to increase the traffic on your own videos. So this is kind of a SEO tool. So thanks very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next